Hey y'all, today is my baby's birthday. Today is Miss Royalty's birthday. And unfortunately, she's not feeling good. She was gonna have a party in school, then just like a little celebration at home with me, her dad, and her cousins. My baby not feeling good. Last night she was throwing up in the middle of the night, and this morning she got dressed, and her cute dress, like everything, and I didn't even get a picture. And then she started throwing up again this morning, today, before we was gonna leave out for school. So I've been running around like a chicken with no head. Her dad put together this big ass Barbie house. It came out so nice. Let me show you. See Barbie, a little hangout. Got a slide here. Yeah, so it looked like I'm about to say it's missing a pool, right? It has some other stuff that you can attach to it. And then I did the table. She got a hello LOL. And her cupcakes. See, party of two. So all I gotta do is go pick up the pizzas, because I made an order for Domino's pizzas. That would have been for the school. So now she's not in school. So now 3 boxes of pizzas is for home. So I gotta go get pizza, come back, go get my niece, go get a cake, and then come back home. Royce, you want ice cream with your cake? Huh? And she kind of been sick from days ago when I was sick. I still got the runny nose and stuff, but I sent her back to school too early because she wanted to go to school. And that didn't help her, I don't think. I'm eating mackerel and rice. It's a ghetto style. And on top of that, it is nasty outside. It's that slip and slide and nasty. You did a good job, Greg. How long you would say it took you? 2 hours? 3 hours? Let me go get these pizzas.
Let's open
over there. Sorry, where is he?
Why you open this?
How'd you figure that out?
Y'all, got little chips here. So we have some cupcakes. Domino's pizza. 3 boxes. And happy birthday, Royalty. Her cake. Yeah. I'm exhausted. As long as she's enjoying herself, which her and my niece are. They enjoying themselves. And I'm sitting down and relaxing. She did want to go to that ice cream museum, but that would be tomorrow, and it can't happen. She don't feel good, and I don't want to be out there Oh my God, I'm definitely having a spa week next week. My spa day. I have to. Whatever's garbage.
No, we're still opening.
Oh, okay. I can't believe after all these years, Barbie still exists. She's classic. And I would have been outside vlogging, but it was raining. There was no way that was gonna happen. It was raining and it was cold. At 3:30, I'm gonna sing a happy birthday. And that's it. As long as she's happy. And she's enjoying herself, that's all that matters. I know she's sick, but she will be better soon. So let me take a little 5-minute. Hey, wait.
Hey.
I thought Greg was going to take it out the box.
Why did it have 7 names?
Okay.
I can't see. 7 headers in the way.
Happy birthday, World Tree.
You can't see?
Because 7 with her big head.
Come. Let me put y'all together. This is so nice. You can see mine?
World Tree. Daddy! Why would you do that?
Oh yeah, let me move the
Daddy,
let me move the box. Ah!
Mommy, look, it messed up.
It's okay. So we are gonna sing happy birthday to Royalty now.
Happy birthday.
Okay. 1, babe, don't get me copyright.
He better.
Because I know you already. He looking for that old song
Better.
of happy
He
birthday.
better not. He do better not.
Yo.
He better.
Okay.
He respect me.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Royalty. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
6.
Woo!
Whoa.
Wow, just make a wish. Stand up. Wait, let her blow out the last one. Guys, stand up.
He always does.
Go ahead. Go, Ruthie. Blow. Very good. High five. 6. High five 7. Woo. High five 7. Woo. Yo.
Daddy.
Right, she's like 16 now. She's over it.
Look, I don't.
Oh, well, happy birthday to Royalty. Say hi, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Royalty.
Mommy? Is this mine for me? No, 7 does so
I love how y'all are so close now. Give hugs. Aw, 7 gave a kiss. She's so loving. She's so loving. She love her cousin. All right. This is the cake. It is the next day. I am well rested. Royalty, my baby girl, is still sick. And she did end up throwing up again yesterday. I think I'm going to just see how well she does today, and then most likely bring her to the doctor tomorrow. But she is still under the weather. She is, and she also has a cough. But you know, there's all types of things going around. Look at this pretty, beautiful 6-year-old, right? Oh, she's 6. Yeah, so you had a good time yesterday, Royalty, for your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay. I was exhausted. I was like, that is it, because I did a lot of back and forth, go in here, pick this up, pick that up. you know, you just want to kind of make the day special for them. And yeah, I was putting so much pressure on myself. Like, I just want her to be happy. I just want her to be. But sometimes less is more. Like, you don't necessarily have to, like, go above and beyond. But I just think that as a parent, if you know, you know, you just kind of like, I don't think this is enough. I want to do more. I want to do more. But she was happy. She got her Barbie house. She had her favorite cake, which she hasn't yet eaten because I think she's a little bit scared to eat because she don't want to throw up. But yeah, so she hasn't tasted her cake yet. She did have a piece of chicken, and that was really it. She's more so taking in more fluids than she is in taking food, solids. But other than that, I got some good rest. I woke up this morning, had me a coffee, a bagel, and yeah, so that is it for Royalty's birthday vlog. It wasn't a lot, but she enjoyed herself, and that's all that matters. So thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned to the next video. And I love you guys. And also, I feel like when I'm watching these vlogs back, I feel like I sound a little masculine. And maybe it's just me, but you know, when you're sick, I feel like your voice gets a little extra raspy, or a little extra rough, or a little extra deep. And yeah, I don't like that. So I hope that I get 100% better as well, because I do still have the stuffiness and the runny nose. But you know, being sick, it's a process you just have to go through until it leaves your body and you're just better. But yes, so I love you guys, and I see you in the next video.